Deck Enfg Roro Ropax to Embark 1310. Italian flag, we would start Deck AB 3000-ish euros approx plus Italian flag, social security, ships, Roro, Ropaxes, Mediterranean waters, apply urgently. Also, we have the junior officers. It's some in social media are complaining that there is not much gap between rating and an officer, as petty officers, for example, plumber, fitter, cook for the passenger ships, 3,200, all these three ranks. The cook for the cargo ship is around 2,300. But anyway, back to Deck Enfg. The difference between junior officers and the ratings is not so much wise. It's simply a matter of supply and demand. So experience nowadays as AB is very well paid, and the supply is short, so it's as simple as that. So please apply urgently. Thank you very much indeed for your time. Like and subscribe. If you are from Lithuania, northern country, Deck Enfg, we get very fast codice fiscale. Some embassies grant in 3 months, like Spain, some in 1 week, like in Lithuania, some in 24 hours, like Romania. Thank you very much. So we have a Formula 1 competition between what embassy, Italian embassy is faster, and this competition just started now. We will inform if any one of them gets the pole position. It is very exciting. But meanwhile, if you are a European seafarer up north with people that never smile, go down south. Also, if you are with European flag and then the government takes you 50% of your tax, this is net wages, so apply urgently. You have in social media our ship owner format of CV. You have also the basic Italian language training to be confirmed to us. You also have crew inspector application form, please. And then you also have the codice fiscale, how to apply for this, or even if you have already been on board Italian flag ships, then you have social security, so it's very important. Thank you very much indeed. Like and subscribe, and remember, those that have very, very high taxes in their countries, like say Latvia, for example, Finland, for example, even Spain, for example, think about this opportunity, because these wages are net plus the social security. Thank you. Bye.